Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video here. And so, day one with Visible Wireless. I'm going to try to keep this short and brief, not to make this a way too long video, as I will be doing a day 7, day 14, day 21, day 28, and then a final 1 month review. So, first of all, to answer a couple of questions out there, most people are asking is, how did I come across Visible? And I'll be honest with you guys. The good people at Visible reached out to me, said, hey, would I like to try their services and do a review? Sure. You know, a lot of you guys want to know about the best deals out there and the best wireless services you guys can try out. And I've always told people it depends on what carrier works best in your area. So obviously, if Verizon works good in your area, then yeah, you might want to pay attention to this one because Visible operates on Verizon's LTE network. As a matter of fact, Visible is owned by Verizon. So basically, it's kind of like how you know how Sprint has Sprint Prepaid, Boost Mobile, Virgin Mobile, right? They own and operate multiple different MVNOs. Verizon did the same thing. So you have Verizon Prepaid or you have Visible Wireless. But Visible Wireless seems more appealing to me. And I'll tell you guys why. $40 a month, taxes, fees included, unlimited talk, text, and data. No throttle point. Researching their website, trying to look in the terms of services to see if there's like, you know, you have unlimited data, but at 30 gigabytes, you are throttled. I didn't see any of that, okay? The only thing I see is that when there are times of network congestion, you may experience slowdowns. That's it. And that seems, yeah, that's how it's going to go. I mean, it's like, think of putting a golf ball through a garden hose, right? And then turning on the water. The water pressure is going to be hit behind that golf ball. It's going to take time before it actually shoots that golf ball out. And that's how basically it is, you know, in your city, especially if you live in a big metro city like I do. At certain times, data does slow down in certain places because people are getting off work, they're checking emails and all this other stuff. So that happens, right? But to me, that's livable, okay? Be honest now, and don't worry about what different tech tubers are saying, right? Just be honest with yourself. It's doable, okay? So, yeah. The next best thing about it that I've learned so far is that it has unlimited mobile hotspot, not unlimited 3G mobile hotspot or unlimited, 128 kilobits per second type hotspot. Unlimited LTE hotspot, which means I can connect my Chromebook here, my tablet, another device, like a device that I don't have a SIM card in. I can connect it and run data off of it. Unlimited. There's no limitation to it. So that's really, really, really good. Especially for those people who just don't want to get home internet service, so you want to run every internet off your phone, you want every IoT running off your phone, you can do that with Visible. So that's a big thumbs up there already. Good start. Yes, big point here, 5 megabits per second data cap. Now, I did do some speed tests, and I was pulling, in my house, I was pulling about 6.83 megabits per second download, and the upload speed was close to 7 megabits per second. So, for me, that's doable. 5 megabits per second, people always get hung up on the numbers. I'm going to tell you guys right now, don't really get hung up on the numbers because for everything that I was doing in the first 24 hours, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, streaming video from YouTube, okay, it runs flawless. 5 megabits per second download cap, I don't really feel like is a hindrance to me. It runs flawless. Okay, even the video quality. Now, you guys may say, well, it's 480p, it's DVD quality. A lot of people love to argue the fact that they want to see everything in HD, but on a small screen like this, 480p looks really good for 480p, which is DVD quality, okay? You're not going to see a massive, huge difference unless you switch from a screen this size to my TV screen right over here, which is a 32-inch. And you'll start seeing the differences. So, unless you're really hung up on the fact that you gotta have everything in 1080p HD, that would probably be the downfall for you. But if you're not nitpicky about it, then it's going to run just fine. Streaming audio from Spotify was great. I didn't have any hiccups or dead freezes in the streaming. The streaming played through was smooth. So big up on that. Real big ups. So far, like I said, I've been putting it through its paces. I have not connected it to my home Wi-Fi. I want to get the full experience of how the network covers me throughout the entire day. I want to see if there's like a certain point where I do reach that congestion time and see if it does play a major impact. So, you know, I upload to Snapchat, I upload to Instagram. I stream a lot of YouTube videos, and I do it so I can see if I can see a difference, a notable difference in certain times, and I really don't. Beyond that, I just gotta say right now, like, you know, for the first 24 hours, yeah, it's pretty good compared to what I've used, like with Google Fi. Google Fi, you know, I'm not gonna say it's perfect, and there's some times where, you know, data connection has been like super slow. When I had Boost Mobile was working just fine for me. It was working great, and you know, for me, Visible just seems a bit more faster than Boost Mobile from the time that I had Boost Mobile. So currently, right now, it's working out for me. And then, of course, you know, I go around the city of Phoenix, in multiple different areas. So I'm always doing speed tests there, kind of see like what I'm getting. Stream some YouTube videos out there. Even when I'm moving in the car, streaming YouTube videos to see if there's a break in the stream. And so far, it's handling everything that I'm throwing at it. And that's within the first 24 hours. All right. So I'm kind of real interested to see how it goes on the day 7 video. So you guys want to stay tuned for that. Also, any bit of news, anything that I find out, I will definitely keep you guys up to date on that. So you guys can be expecting that down the pike here. But yeah, day 1 so far with Visible Wireless. Big thumbs up. And again, shout out to Visible for giving me this opportunity. Really appreciate it. Yeah, so if you guys have any other questions you guys want to ask about Visible Wireless, put them in the description below. I am going to do a video showing you guys basically like the different devices that they have more in depth, the options that they have in case you want to get your own device. Instead of bringing your own device, you can buy one through them. I'll show you the options that you guys can get. Real simple to do. And yeah. And if you bring your own device, you get this cool little welcome kit. This kit, I tell you, this is pretty cool. It's small, and it's just like, wow, you know? And you get a little SIM ejector tool thing. That's pretty cool, too. Some companies don't include that with their welcome kit. So the little things, in my opinion, the little things count. Anyways, that's it, guys. I'm about to head out and run some errands. Again, like I said, drop your question in the comment section of the video. If you just found this video, first time to my channel, do me the honor of hitting that subscribe button and the bell option to know when I upload a video. And yeah, I'll definitely talk to you on the next one. And as always, aloha.